friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we off our dial pad tune in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to off your dial pad tune setting in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you off it? In this video I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, I will show you guys what is dial pad tune. So guys, you can see your dial number, tap here guys, and guys you can see this dial pad tone, and guys you don't like this tone, and guys you want to off in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you off this tone in your Realme phone? In this video I will show you. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to off dial pad tone, and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here and again scroll it. Friends, you can see your haptic and tune setting. Friends, tap here. So friends, you can see your sound setting is dial pad tone. So guys, you can see this right side icon. Guys, tap here to off. So guys, your dial pad tone will off, and guys you can see you cannot use your dial pad tone. Friends, you can see dial pad tone will not work in our Realme phone guys. So like that guys, you can off your dial pad tone if you want. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.